had this kind of pressure, or I wouldn't call it, well, it turns into pressure sometimes, but it's kind of like an onus to be perfect or to not set a foot wrong. And that can be difficult at times. You know, I'm a father now, and sometimes parenting is really hard. You lot, all right? It's really hard. So it's, and you can't be perfect, and you can't not make a mistake here and there. But I think being a leader is about owning that and knowing that about yourself and knowing that people are looking up to you. So we should behave in a manner that is going to be respectable to everyone, and everyone can have fun and everyone can enjoy what you're doing, but they can also look to you well, I mean, the word role model has model in it, to kind of model your behaviour or whatever it is off you.